Hello everyone, it's me Bestin. Today we are going to learn how to create a free website. Okay, free website. We are going to host a free WordPress, brand new free WordPress website. Then we get a new domain. Then we start. Okay, we enter the address. We are going to write pro free like this, profreehost.com. That is the site we are going to use, profreehost.com. Then we enter it. Then after loading, so what we need to do now, it has steps. The first step is to register. You have to register. So let's register with the profreehost website. Register so that we can host a free website. Profreehost, register, ready to launch your website. Okay, so now I will enter my email here. Okay, so enter my email here. Okay, so that is my email. I'll enter my email, bestin@gmail.com. Then I'll enter my password. I'll enter my password here. So after you enter your password, I click here, the mark area. I click mark, so wait for it to load. So after that, they will send you a confirmation message to my email. Then I will confirm it. Okay, so I have to wait for it to load. Okay, now you can see activate your account. Please activate your account first. So I have to check my email for the message. Now you can see the message has come. So I enter my email now. So let me go back to my email. Now when you call your email, you will see something like this: pro free host account activation. Then I'll click it. Then activate it. Okay. Now you can see your account has been activated successfully. Direct to your account. You see, now I have registered with the pro free host. That is the website we used for getting a free website. And so what I need to do now is create. Now after that I now click this create new account. That is what is mean that create a new website. So create new account. Skip this, move this advertisement. So we still got to launch your new website. It takes some time to So now here, create new website. I'll now enter the name of my website here. Okay, Bestin. Now, so after I enter the name of my website, see, so the free, this is marked. Now you can see the website link they give to me. This is the website link they give to me, so I have to copy it. That is the link. That is my link now. So when I click this area now, mark, so that is, I've agreed to it. Now when you enter your website name, they will give you the link. So don't worry, we will change it later. We'll change it to bezdin.really.k or .ml to even bezdin.com. Okay, so now here it is. You can see your account bezdin.unhouse.com is still processing. You see, it's still processing. They are still setting up the account. Okay, so you have to wait till they set it up. That's why it's still loading. So now I've received an email that tell me that your account activated free. So what I need to do now, I will go to manage area. You click manage. Okay, when you click manage, it take you to the client area. Okay, so that is it. Now you see this control panel. This is where we build website. Control panel. This is the control panel now. So I want to install WordPress now. What we are going on now? We are going to install WordPress on this link now. This website that I created now. Because if you enter the website now, you will see nothing. So I will enter control panel. Okay. So it take you to this place. So you have to approve this so that anytime anything happens to your account, you get the listing. So I'll click approve. Now welcome to the control panel. So this is how it is. Okay, you can see everything is unlimited. The size of the website is unlimited, everything. So what we need to do now is you have to install WordPress. Okay, you have to install WordPress. Still loading. So uh, don't mind, there's a lot of this thing advert on the this thing, but when you launch your website, there is no advert to show on it, so don't mind the adverts. Okay, so now let's go and install WordPress. So you have to scroll. When you come to control panel, you have to scroll to this Softaclos app installer. Okay, Softaclos app installer, look at it here. So click it. So if this Softaclos app installer load, this is where it will take you to. Okay, now we want to install WordPress. So now click on this WordPress, click install. So it will take us to this place. You click here to bring more option. Okay, now this is it. Check here. Okay, don't need to change anything, and this is the link. Don't forget, this is the link they give to us when I write it, the domain. So you can change it later, but not now. So the name of the site, my blog, Bezdin. You write blah 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 blah. So the admin, that is this the admin name. So you have to use this the admin that you are going to use to log into the WordPress site. Okay, so admin pass. Okay, so So this is it. Admin email is not gmail.com. That was my email. So I need this. I want it because. So now I have to click. I'll go down. You see install there. I'll click it. Now I'm installing WordPress on my website now, which is bezin.host.com. Okay, so this is the first part. The first part you register. The second part you install WordPress. Now the third part is you are going to get a domain. Now congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So this is the link. This is my website link. Okay, let's enter it and see what we so if you enter the website now, you will see something like this, just empty WordPress, brand new WordPress website. Okay, now here we can log into the admin area by using the admin password, and this will create the other time. So let me enter here. So you want to enter the admin area, it's YP, you write YP admin just like the way we do it. Okay, so enter. So it will take us to this place. So I have to log in now. Admin, my password was so after you log in, we need to give it some time so that the server will be okay. So after you log in, then that is you log into the admin area. Then the next step is to get how to get free domain. Okay, how to get free domain. So you have to watch out for my next video. I'll post that on how to get free domain and link it to this free host, the pro free host website. Okay, so thank you.